In front of me is Realme 5i, and let me show you how to change SIM pin on this phone. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select device and privacy, and here under encryption and lock-in you will find setup SIM card lock. So just mark it, and now you can change it here. Smoothly click on change SIM pin. At first provide the old one, click on OK, and now enter new pin. Click on OK, and then re-enter this new, just to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, you've just changed your SIM pin. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.